Every bottle begins here, where nature grows its resilience.
Only mature leaves are chosen, ensuring purity and potency.
Handled by hand, quality is protected from the start. From soil to system, the journey begins. Harvests unite, preparing for industrial scale.
Every batch earns its approval.
Protection preserves what nature created. Fresh aloe now moves toward transformation. Freshness is protected through every mile. Stability ensures the gel remains untouched.
The facility stands ready for intake.
Every arrival is logged and verified.
This is where agriculture meets precision. Perfect alignment prevents product shock. The harvest re-enters human hands.
Speed and care move together.
The processing journey officially begins. Behind these walls, freshness becomes precision.
Every motion follows a controlled rhythm.
Clean systems protect natural purity.
Clean systems protect natural purity.
This is the starting point of transformation.
Manual care meets mechanical flow.
Each leaf moves toward renewal.
Human oversight keeps machines honest.
The first cleanse prepares the plant. From here, the process never stops. Surface impurities are stripped away gently. Only clarity moves forward.
Nothing is wasted, even the rinse.
Human eyes still led quality.
Only the best continues. Uniformity improves precision. Sanitation protects the gel within. Dry surfaces prepare for cutting. Preparation gives way to transformation. Precision begins with controlled entry. Unwanted part. Unwanted parts are removed instantly. The heart of aloe is revealed. Extraction without aggression. Nothing is forced, nothing wasted. Fresh gel remains untouched. Structure is refined, not destroyed. Now liquid, the journey continues. The gel is secured for refinement. Consistency is preserved through control. Balance protects freshness. Uniformity is engineered. Temperature prepares without shock. Safety is built into the system.
Time and temperature work together.
Freshness. Freshness is locked back in. Now refined, the juice waits. The process now becomes fully automated. Data now guides every decision. Automation replaces guesswork. Clarity is engineered, not assumed. Machines respond in real time. Hygiene never stops, even in motion. Quality checks happen instantly. Precision becomes choreography. The final refinement begins. Only purity moves ahead.
Taste is tuned, not altered.
Uniformity is locked in. Clarity is perfected. Safety is silently ensured. The container awaits its purpose. Accuracy is measured in drops. Everything is ready. Now, the product must prove itself. Every bottle is visually judged. Only perfection continues. Accuracy is confirmed by mass. Sealed for trust.
Random sampling keeps standards honest.
Safety is proven at the microscopic level.
Purity confirmed by science.
This batch is cleared. Now cleared for the final stage.
Human eyes double-check perfection.
Efficiency and accuracy meet. Order is built before departure. Protection ensures journey integrity. The product leaves the factory for distribution. A temporary home before reaching the world.
And this is how modern factories produce aloe vera juice from start to finish.
Every bottle tells a story of care and precision.